This is a slightly different setting, and it's because I have an announcement to make. Walking, looking for somewhere I can place my phone. Spider web. But in the meantime, let me tell you a little bit about my announcement. I am going to be an olive farmer. No, just kidding. I already do work here, but I will be starting my members only channel side, and it's currently 7 a.m. in Crete. I am making this announcement just to let you know that I will be starting the members only side of my YouTube channel, and that is because I would like to post a bit more often just to keep people updated. However, it's really difficult right now because I used to post whenever I am done with like a whole artwork from start to finish, and even before I couldn't do it so regularly just because it would take me a long time, and my schedule always varies a lot, so I don't have much control over it. And sorry, found some dry stuff that I need to remove from the trees. And for this reason, I am not able to post more often. But what I will do is have the members side only for those of you who like a more slow-paced videos, and it will be gradual updates on what I'm working on. It will be a bit more of a vlog style, and I will be talking much more because I trying to post also the main finished artworks. I started just to write down everything because editing takes me a really long time. So the vlogs will be a bit more simple, a bit easier to edit, and a bit more talkative. So trying to raise some money because my phone and my computer are always full, and I am really fed up. And the thing is, my computer usually used to have a lot of memory, but it's a bit old. So now most of the space is taken up by operating system updates. And so I would like to get myself something to do only editing with, because I try to edit 3-4 different videos at a time, and now I basically have no space for anything. Even this phone soon is gonna be full, and I don't know, I feel like I crash out every time that happens. So if you'd like to support what I'm doing, feel free to pop on the member side only, and you will be getting more videos more often. I will try to post 2 times per week, and then whenever any of my projects is finished, I will post the full thing on the public side of my channel. So this will have to do. So basically, I actually wanted to film this video at home. It's just that we got workers. So different time of day. I look less asleep, but I'm sweaty. My battery died, so after that I was done for the morning. I just did some work, went back home, did a workshop, and now I'm back because in 2 hours they're gonna come to spray the olives. So I need to be here, so I'm just gonna do some work, but I'm gonna take the chance to finish this video. And yeah, I'm still too shy to do it at home, and now everybody's out and I just cannot speak outside, and inside is too hot. At least outside I get a bit of a breeze. So yeah, now regarding the members side will be divided in, I think, 2 tiers. The first one will be simply a donation, and people will get access to the videos early, and then they will have like specific stickers for also the live chats. the live chats, the live videos, the lives, because I'm gonna do some lives as well, especially when I'm working on the balcony. So for the balcony, I want to do a lot more lives accessible to everyone. It's just that people with the members only will have a few perks, and then the second tier will be actually the exclusive videos. Another thing I want to do is also do videos on other things that I want to do and I want to learn, and my learning process. Most of them will be mosaic adjacent, as in it could be passed as mosaic, aesthetically speaking, the way it looks, but it's probably something completely different, like beaded jewelry or stained glass. I will definitely want to start a pottery journey, just because right now I'm buying my vases from shops and then mosaicing them, but I want to be able to make my own and make all sorts of weird shapes, so that's gonna be interesting. But yeah, if you want to see a bit more and a bit more often and come with me behind the scenes, consider supporting this channel by becoming a member and entering the Canzoniere Club. That's what I'm gonna call it, Canzoniere Club. Once I have also some extra interesting things, whether they are handmade or merchandise, or I'm not sure what yet, I will make sure to add also discounts, because I really am thankful for all the people that already follow me, and I do want to do more. I am simply a bit stuck with my resources right now, and it's getting harder and harder, especially in the summertime, to be consistent and, I don't know, and show you everything I do. Yeah. So thank you so much for watching this video till the end, if you reach the end, and I will see you in the next one.